and Vinny Cuz here, where we have two Uber drivers trying to find their way out through day trading, and watching the green line cross over the yellow line. Sorry, Sergio. All right, we're taking a thousand
Yes.
dollar account. We're taking $1,000 account and we turn it into $2,000 before we ever go do some paper trading. And all right, so we're learning as we go. And today, Vinny, okay, Vinny, take over, show them how it's done. Show them how it's done.
Mm. Good morning. Good morning, my friend. How are you?
Good morning.
Live stream last night was kind of crazy.
Yeah, it was really good. I liked it. We left a lot and we maintained how much? How many? 40?
Yeah. Yeah. Live stream last night was hot, bro. It was hot. It was loaded. All right. I'm just trying to set in. Obviously, on Tesla, we're down. Where we at now? Like 180, 180, 105 in the pre market. So I am trying to, because apparently, obviously, everything above this it's already solid. It's already set. It's the stuff we've been trading off all week. But now we're approaching different levels. So I'm just trying to find some areas of support and resistance. That's really not. It is, but it's not. But look how far back we got to go, bro. I got to
For
go all the way
you
back
know,
to February 1st to get my next level down. I mean, there's some trading. There's some stuff in here, but it's going to be a tough deal. So anyway,
can you
that's the 30-minute chart. What we do have also going on here, I'm going to show you guys real quick, is look at this big downtrend we got on Tesla right now. Huge downtrend, right? Every day we're getting peaks, right? We're getting our I guess if you want to call it higher highs, but we're getting lower lows too. So right now we have a lot of stuff going on with Tesla. Um, we still haven't gotten back to this area. Let's see. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. That was yesterday's. So that means we don't need this. Once something is invalidated, I will absolutely get rid of it. But if it still holds a little bit of a purpose, I will keep it. So all my white right now is currently supports and resistance. We can see that right here, at least in the pre-market, this is an area of support. This 175.95, 176 level is going to be a support. We're testing this 180.69 level right now, right there. Mind you, I'm still on a 30-minute chart here. So, and then and see if we push up and break yesterday's area of resistance, 182.53. So we're going to have to see where this goes this morning. Market's a little different today. So that's that. Let's take a look at SPY real quick, see where we were at yesterday, getting to the 30-minute. SPY was everywhere yesterday, man. Everywhere. But this area of support, 397.65, actually held up pretty good. Now we're past the 398.93 and pushing into 399.400. So it's again, we have support and resistance areas in here. We just need to see how the market's going to open for it. That's basically what I got.
I have a I just found a resistance over here on SPY on the 30-minute on 401.43, somewhere around there, right?
uh,
Am I right there?
401.43.
Or 401.39, in between 401.39 and what?
Yeah, I see where you're saying. Yeah, there's an area in there, but
I
I
mean,
wouldn't call that
yeah,
a support or
yeah.
resistance. I just call that chop. I like 400, 411, and then 402.30 as an area to keep an eye on. That's what I see there. See this gap right here? This is the 402 area. This is the 400 area. But this is the little area that you're talking about right here. But take a look at 402.30. Look what happened right there.
Hold on.
Your
402.30.
yeah, Your VWAP right at that 402.30 area.
On the spine, the 30-minute?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in there. That was the
Your
dive.
402. Yep. That was, but look what happened right there. Your 5-minute chart, your 45 EMA should have crossed under your VWAP at that point.
Hold on, my 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean.
You see what I'm talking about there?
Yeah, you're on the 5 minute, right?
No, I was on a 2-minute chart, but it shouldn't matter. Your 5-minute EMA should have been crawling under there.
Yeah.
West is probably going to be a little disturbed this morning because Apple is actually up
Up.
this morning. Yeah, I know, but he's got his puts are out 2 weeks out, so it doesn't matter. His puts are 2 weeks out, doesn't matter.
And let me see. I got my Tesla. Let me see. I got my Tesla up. I got my Apple. And I have my NVIDIA. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I can put it here. No. I'm going to put it in here. No, on the Tesla. I'm going to switch my Tesla. I'm going to put Amazon here.
NVIDIA is still pushing into new highs, or not new highs, but current highs. NVIDIA is still pushing, bro. This line is going to turn into a support resistance area. That's pretty solid right there.
Well, you're in NVIDIA. Okay.
Yep. Got a solid area of support resistance. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. Broke through, popped up, retraced, popped up again, fell back down. So yeah, this 238.85 is pretty solid right now. It's finally after it broke through that area, traded up in the aftermarket last night, but in the pre-market it held up, bounced off that. So we'll keep an eye on that today and see where that goes on NVIDIA.
Let me see if I find it. 238. Man, I'm more like 230.
You're in the, what? Where you at? Because
I'm in
you're
the I'm on NVIDIA. I'm on
okay.
NVIDIA. Hold on. 239.06. Hold on.
Yeah, I mean I could see it.
236.86. It's kind of
No,
like up above it. It came down and bounced right off of it.
mm-hmm.
Under it, then came above it, consolidated above it. So it's kind of like more like a consolidation type of. There you go.
$235.15. Could be. We're always going to see it a little different, but that's okay.
Yeah, what is it, like 236.86? It's like the little consolidation zone, I guess.
Yep. We're going to let that one ride there. So that's Tesla. That's what I'm looking at. The green horizontal line is my 944. We do not trade before that unless we just can't absolutely help it. I got Tesla in a nice little downward trend. Wow. Man, you know those options from yesterday I traded, the 185 option? Call put. Well, this morning that thing's gonna freaking pay off. Or the 180. What was that? No, that was 185 call. Actually, I take that back. It's not going to pay off. It's not going to do shit. So today's what? Thursday, right?
Today is Thursday the 9th.
Yeah. So now I'm not paying attention to this week's options.
We have a
I'm looking at next week's
8:30
options now.
or 9:30 your time job claims. Oh, I have a lot more here.
Yeah. What?
Unemployment, trade balance, Chairman Powell. What? Today's the 9th. God damn it. Thursday. Yeah, all we have is jobless claims, and at 8:30, and then FedGov bar speaks at 10 a.m.
All right, so I got 2 areas for options. Up, market's open. Let me hit the bell for us.
This is Sparta!
All right. Markets are open. I'm going to keep an eye on everything. I'm watching Tesla. Eddie's probably watching SPY, and yeah. So let me get into my 1-minute chart on Webull. I mean, let me get let me bring this up here. Let's close that one out there because I need to open up on my other charts, and I'm gonna bring up my Webull here. You got your Webull open there, Skinny Jeans?
Yes, I do.
All right, looking at my Webull chart, I've got Tesla up. You can see my level 2s. You can see my account starting today is 1147. On the left trading chart, you will see that is Tesla live in the 1 minute. You can see my support resistance above at 183.83, below 175.90. We're going to let this rip till about 9:45. Let the market settle down. On the left, on the right chart, that would be the 175 put. I just have it dialed up. It doesn't mean that's what I'm looking at. So we will see how this all plays out. I'm looking to see if Tesla jumps to that 183 level and then slams down. Also, the option chain that I'm looking at for Tesla is for next week, not this week.
Okay,
Just want to put that out there.
here's mine, just in case. I'm gonna go check my
Dollar's still pretty freaking strong, man. Where's TLT at? TLT is running at 101.53, so that's in a safe area. Lyft is still struggling, $9.70, bro. That stock is so done. Uber's 34. DoorDash is in at 58. See what Apple's doing. Apple's retracing a little bit. It's coming down a little bit. Nvidia's still rolling.
Okay, we're doing the DOM. I'm doing the DOM. Everybody's doing the DOM.
All right, got all my charts set up. I know you guys can't see all this, but I got all kinds of charts over here that I keep an eye on. Good morning, Wes. What's popping, buddy? How's
Good
life in the city?
morning. Hey, Wes, you're 3 minutes late, Wes. Yeah, you're late.
Why are you bagging on Wes, bro?
Because I was late last time. Was I late last time? Yeah, I was late.
Wes is out there making that money, bro. What the hell? Why are you banging on Wes? Don't bang on Wes, bro. Wes is a good guy.
When is Wes coming in here?
Whenever he wants.
Hey, Wes, We were just looking at your apples. We was just looking at your apples. And I don't know. It could be a fake out, right? Like they always do. Pre-market looks like it's coming up. It's like, oh, and then people kind of like buy into the pump and then regret it.
Could be, bro.
Okay, here we go. SPY is taking off. What you keeping your eyes on there, Wes, besides Apple? Oh, Tesla's coming up to that 182 level that I have here. 182.51. Or 182.58 is that high. Let me see. Tesla SPY is
I gotta be. I hate to say what I'm gonna have to do, bro, but I'm gonna have to switch. God, I don't want to do this. I got to figure out how to do this, man.
what are you gonna switch to?
Well, I want to be able to feed this setup over here into this over here into the live stream, but I don't want to put the live streaming browser on this computer, on my trading computer. There's no software on there. On my trading computer, bro, there is no software on here except trading. It is as clean can be on the computer. I just don't have anything on there, man. I cannot believe people are still trading Bed Bath and Beyond. It's a meme stock.
Oh, something good is going on in Amazon
Why? Why do you say that?
because it's really going up.
Is it Amazon?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Big move. Up a whole 85 cents this morning. I'm not familiar with the stock enough to mess with it.
Yeah, I don't think my strategy works on Amazon. Or maybe it does. Will it work? Yeah, I don't think it works.
Oh, man. Gonna get after that money today, bro. Gonna get after that money today. We're gonna do some fun Uber. We're gonna do some vlogging. We're gonna do some live streams today on my channel.
Oh, did I forget to record again?
I'm gonna try to get some of my riders talking today on the camera. We're taking out the GoPro today.
Yeah, I gotta get my GoPro.
So, man, listen, my camera is available again. The one I keep looking at, the Sony ZV-E10. It's finally available with the kit lens, $800.
Uh-huh.
Only one problem.
It went up in price?
No. It's $799. It's in white. They don't have it in black. They only got it in white.
Ah, you could just wrap it in a different color. Nobody's gonna see it anyway.
What, my camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna see that big white motherfucker out there in public, bro. Come on.
Oh,
It's gonna be like me walking around with no shorts on. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna be out there.
Like,
Out there.
you paint it. Paint it. Put a leather cover on it.
It's a camera, dude.
Okay, well then don't worry about it.
I'm white, bro. Everybody buys a camera.
That is the only thing that's going to be available. Watch.
Well, just wait till the next round of cameras come out.
I'm waiting for
Not like I need it.
Z Fold, the
Not like
Samsung Z Fold 5.
Uh-huh.
But
What
again,
about it?
I usually wait about 3 generations before I buy the next phone.
Yeah, that's about right. All right, Tesla's coming up on this spot here. Get ready to push that 183.83 level. So now I will go back into my option chain and I will look to see what is now the heaviest traded, heaviest open interest. So we're looking at 180 open interest. I want to see volume. 190 calls are, as of right now, has the most volume, up 11% on the day on those contracts. And then 180 has the most volume put. Now, these are for next week. These are not for this week. This is for next week. So,
23.
and as we can see, it's rejecting nicely.
Damn it. Delete. Delete.
God dang it! Why does this thing keep moving?
I'm just setting up my I'm still gonna.
That'd be the 180 put. Let's see if Tesla wants to reject this spot right here. I don't know if you guys can see it as clearly.
What is that? 184?
183.83. Yeah, 184. You can call it that. It's already breached it. High a day right now is 183.88. So we're going to wait and see if that rejects. Try to bring it back to low a day. Opening low a day is 180 even. 180 even is low of day right now.
Okay, it's 8:41. Still not time. There's no time to trade. Nvidia is dumping.
Yeah, it is. It's
It's really coming down. Let me see. Apple. Okay, there we go. Double top on Apple. Well, pre-market. You see it. I don't know. On SPY, I see some upward momentum, but if you look at a pre-market, this will be like the second leg. Yeah. Or the first leg. One leg, second leg. This will be like the third leg if it does go. $8.42. No trading.
Tesla's coming up to test this this high a day. Get ready to pop through it. Oh man, everybody thinks trading is so exciting, and it is, but patience. 90% of the time, as a trader, dude, you're sitting around waiting. You're waiting
For the setup. That's what I'm doing right now. Waiting for the setup.
100%. 100%.
Wait for the setup. Go big. Take 10%. You're out. Oh, Apple's gonna break that 153.87.
I just don't see anything that's like tickling my fancy right now. I see nothing. Let's see what Tesla wants to do. Get ready to break open on Tesla now. Could we see a bounce back up to 185? I don't know. I don't know, bro. What do you got going on your chart there, Hoss?
um, I got a test spy right here. Um, I mean, I got nothing. I mean, I need like a more defined cross, okay, and a continuation. But I don't know. I just don't like it because I can't read it. You know, I have. If you look at Tesla right now, Tesla, this would be kind of like my entry right here. You know, and just wait for the pop, and this is where I'd be selling already.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just I need a better setup because I already missed. As of right now, it broke. I missed my opportunity because I should have bought it the moment I would have bought the candle over candle, which was right here, and that would have been my purchase right down here, and then I would have sold the break. um, and then the other one was actually, if you look at Apple, it did the same thing too, but it broke above this level. So I'm watching what it does. I kind of like want to trade it, but on the pullback. See, here's the first pullback, and now here comes the second pullback, hopefully to the 9 EMA, and then maybe do a call to the upside.
Okay. Okay. You got a little plan going on there. Tesla's broken to the upside.
Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Apple. And I'm gonna go back to my SPY.
Damn, that bitch gave me a service flag too yesterday. The chick who gave
Uh,
me a bad rating, she gave me a fucking service flag too, man.
uh, wait, did you go back and give her a rating too?
Yeah.
There goes Amazon again.
Fucking people, man. I
There
might
goes
have to send
Amazon.
Lyft. I might have to send Lyft a nasty text message.
Damn, there goes Amazon again, and there goes Apple. Here comes Nvidia. Is Nvidia gonna follow through? Three, five. Oh, look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looks nice, beautiful. If I could get this set up right here again on the 5, this is, I need to change this to this. High. Low. Okay, and let me get rid of that. All right, let's see how this plays out. And we are just waiting for the setup. Ah, dude, I just gotta sit here and be impatient. My time has passed. So I shall start thinking about taking a trade after I see my setup. Okay, so I have Amazon is setting up again.
Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I gotta kill the mic for a minute.
Apple is setting up again. Amazon, Apple, both of them on the pullback. I got Tesla on a pullback also. Oh, this could have been, I think this was it. I might have missed out. I might have missed out. Okay, the only one that's setting up for me right now for a possible is Tesla.
All right, I'm back.
But look at this.
I just opened the support message.
Tesla, okay, Tesla is pulling back. But look at Amazon. Amazon, it did my pullback, and now look, it's doing it again. It's breaking, which technically I missed. If it breaks this 95.54. And here is Apple.
Well, I kind of see Tesla still moving up. It's in a
Yeah,
channel.
correct. Here's Apple. Apple's about to go. But let's see if the trade works out. I just like my pullback to the 9 EMA. So it looks like it's consolidating sideways. And that's what I want to see. The thing is, all of them are setting up. I just don't know which one I want to take. But I gotta see what it does in the pullback. So what would you see as major events besides jobless claims? Is Barr speaking kind of like a major event at 10 a.m.?
Oh, no. He's just one of the Fed presses. Those guys don't bother me. What you want to get ready for, you might even want to start throwing some money into that Webull account for next week when the interest rate is announced and comes out. In other words, you want to start setting up now for next week. because when they announce that the Fed interest rate hike, it's going to be anywhere from 0.25% to 0.75%. I think the market is trying to price in 0.5% move. But do you want to be ready for that when that gets announced, which is usually at like 2:00 in the afternoon? You want to be ready for that. That's what you want to be ready for, because then you're
It's
going
gonna be a
to
big
look
move.
at whatever there's going to be a move, and that move might only last a minute, but in that minute, your life can change. You know what I mean? So you want to start getting ready for that.
Okay, let me set my
All right, so I got a support message in the lift right now, and describing this ride. So let's see how long it takes for somebody from across the water to computer generate some garbage to me. Because you know it's going to be garbage. All right, Tesla. Tesla is trying to come back down under this little support area here, 183.90. You can see my channel's up. We're retracing out of that channel. This is a big time put on the other side that I have dialed up. So let's see if this 183.80 holds as support now, or if we're going to dip back down.
Okay, let's see how it goes. I'm actually doing the same thing that you was just zucking the bed. Where is it? Right? Oh, Tesla is like right on the 2 EMA. Let's see how it goes. I mean on the 9 EMA. And where is my, let me see, Tesla. Okay, great. I'm gonna set it up.
Yeah, see, I'm going to have to start streaming from this computer because I just have so much more real estate over here to really show properly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it.
Ooh.
There you go. We got your chart up now.
Okay, I have my Tesla options in. Hold on, I need to get rid of this. I need okay, I have my Tesla call in. Now I need my Tesla put. Something reasonable with volume. There we go. No, there we go.
Tesla's popping.
Ah, Tesla. Could this be it for Tesla? Ooh. I'm gonna try this one out on Tesla. Oof. It's doing it again. It's doing it again. All right, I'm canceling my order.
What were you doing?
Was trying to get in Tesla and it didn't fill.
Okay. So if it don't fill, get out of it.
Yep, that's what I just did. I would have ended up getting out in the first place. So, by the way, if the order doesn't fill, do I still lose that money?
No, no, you didn't. You never traded.
Okay.
And here comes Tesla for the fail.
Okay, there we go. And I'm also set up for a put, but
All right, we're taking the 180 put. We're trying to get this 180 put. Might be too late on this, but we're going to find out. Yep, we're in. All right, so we are in at 490. Oh, I got in high. Got in high. There we go. Here's my chart. Purple dotted line on the right is where I'm at. And then on the left side of the chart, that is the actual stock ticker. Oh, I might have to cut this one loose real quick. Let's see if it can, if that 183.80 is going to hold up now as resistance. It broke above it, failed hard too. Let's see if that was just a minor pullback or not. We're going to find out right now. Oh, man. So 485, 10% would be 48 points or 49 points. So 490 puts me at what? 50. So 540 is my target. This is my target. So let's see what she does, bro.
we are just playing the odds.
And then my stop loss needs to be, I mean, that's a really tight stop loss. Let's go to, let's see. So 25, 90, 80, 70, 465 would be my stop loss.
Tesla. Let me go back to the 3 minute. Ooh.
So that would be my stop loss, 465. That's a 2-to-1. That's a 2-to-1. Looking for 10%, trying to earn 10% on this contract versus losing 5% on this contract. Tesla's hitting VWAP.
Let me see. Tesla. Okay.
Green line represents my 10% gain. Red line represents my 5% loss. We are using the Weeble desktop. That's what I'm using.
Go. Do we have people in the chat?
There goes
Just West.
Tesla. There goes Tesla. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come to Papa. Big wick up. Ooh, I don't like that. Remember,
Okay,
patience,
I'm
bro.
gonna take this SPY call here, which is I am in right now. Okay, 2 403s, 2 minute, 3 minute. It looked like It's bouncing right off my VWAP to the upside. I'm taking it to that high of, what is that, 148? Or at least that's the idea. But reason is, it is because this is the 2-minute,
All right.
3-minute,
Bumped out there.
3-minute, and now here is my 5-minute. It's just showing upward momentum. Let's see. It's got to hold. Let's see if it holds. So this will be my second pullback. And this is my, it's got to hold at the previous candle. Where is it? Where's my lines? Here we go. This is my sell. Okay, and somewhere around here would be my green, lighter color. There we go. Now on TradingView, let's see if it works out. Everybody really wants to go down. I want it to go up.
All right. Are you in the trade?
I am technically in the trade.
Okay. So if I would have took that 5% loss, I'd have got stomped out. The reason why I didn't take the 5% loss is because you can see this channel I got here. And it wicked up, but it never broke above it. So to me, that was telling me, okay, you got a shot. So we took a little bit more risk than I normally would there, but we are still in the trade and we are hunting. We're hunting that 10%.
What is this? So this is showing that I have a stop at 14, target of about 54. So 3% loss for a 13% win. But it's got to hold.
All right. So I just want to explain to everybody what I got here on my chart. If you can see it, purple dotted line is my where I bought at. Message support is telling me they excluded the rating from this ride so that your driver rating average is not affected. Really?
Okay.
So I was correct in assuming it was this young lady that gave me the negative
Nope.
feedback. She was not very nice.
I'm out. You see that SPY? Woo! It went down big time.
Yeah, well, we're still pushing. So my yellow lines are my 5% gains or losses. The red line down here, which would be my 10% loss, definitely will not go less than that. And then the green line up here represents a 10% gain. When they're moving like this, bro, you can take your time and set your charts up, set your plans up. But look, Tesla's still coming down. The only thing I have not checked, I don't know if I can do this real quick. I don't want to take my eyes off the chart at this moment because I definitely want to win, not a loss. It says it may take up to a week for your driver rating to be updated with this excluded rating. And yes, it was
Oh
her.
yeah.
They verified it was her. Nasty bitch. I don't understand that, bro. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yep. Totally forgot about that, Umar.
And I also made sure that you won't be paired with this rider again. Okay. Thank you very much. Put a lot of effort into providing good service. Fed speaking, careful, Eddie.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they've been speaking, bro. I think I'm going to drop this contract. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Let's see. Still not out of my channel here. Let's get ready to push. Boom. I'm out. I don't like that candle. That candle wants to go back up. The one thing I did not get to check because I was over here doing this crap is all right, I sold out on that one. That was a waste of time. Made like what I make? 47 to 55 bucks. Ah! 1%. A 1% gain on that, dude. That's what I made on that. I could have had like 6 or 7%, but I was too busy over here messing with this shit.
Yeah.
But now I
No.
can
I am technically in 2 Tesla puts right now. So
So I went and checked what I needed to check. I could have stayed in this trade. I just got distracted. Um, that's the thing too, dude. When you're trading, you don't want to be distracted. You need to be someplace where you can stay focused. Because now I'm out of that contract, and even though I made a 1% profit on the
there it
freaking
goes.
contract,
There it
yeah,
goes.
Tesla. Look at Tesla just falling off the rails again.
Tesla, come on, reach my point right there. This is the 2 minute on Tesla. Well, actually, I have SPY right here, but I'm technically in Tesla right now.
All right. Oh God. Ah! Look at that, Eddie. Look at that. I would have hit my 10%. Ah! But now you got to look. Now you got to start looking the other way because on the low of day to high of day fib retracement, Tesla now
Oh
is.
no, no, no.
Uh oh.
So so
Got
Tesla.
your chart up, buddy.
Yeah. I went ahead and I bought 2 additional Teslas, but I'm out. I'm still positive. $4. It's hitting my 45. So damn it.
I'm getting ready to go back the other way now on calls.
Well, Tesla's still going down.
Yeah, it's in the golden zone, dude. On the fib retracement, pull a high to low fib retracement or a low to high fib retracement, and look where it's lining up in the retracement area.
Damn it.
Come on, you can do it.
Mm.
Fuck, dude. Tesla's really falling off the shelf here. All right, I'll be right back. By the way, they got my rating back to 5.0. It's already corrected.
Damn. Okay, so I got this, and where's my SPY? See that? Well, this is in Tesla. I had my cross, but this is like in total opposite direction of where I usually take it at. You know, when my 200 EMA is on the bottom and everything is to the upside, I like taking it to the upside. So I'm looking for that upside movement.
I'm with you. I am 100% with you. I'm
Just want
looking
to
now.
go with the trend, with the trend.
Yep, until the trend bounces and reverses. And right now, we got a good little area of support here where this thing could bounce back up.
Hold on.
Let's see if I'm halfway correct.
I have a 78.6% right there.
All right, I am trying to buy in now on this. I'm looking for a call. See if I got in. I am in the call.
Ooh, yes, I saw that. Wait, I'm on the wrong chart.
508. There it is. See if I guessed right or if I guessed wrong. See it. The fib retracement is coming out correctly. So let's see. 508 and 50 is what? 558. A lot of times you don't have time to do all this, but I got time. It's paper trade. Which would be what?
Where is
For
my There it is. Well, technically, I mean, I have it on the on Tesla, but it's not bouncing off of any line. Let's do the SPY.
but there is an area of support here. It's a small area of support. It's an intraday area of support. It's not, you're not going to find this on the grand chart. You're going to find it right here, this line right here. You got a little pre-market resistance there, fired back down, opened up the market and kept ripping to the upside. So let's see if it holds us. Oh, Tesla crushing me on the call. Oh, crushing me on the call. Oh, is it going to come down to low a day? No way.
Yes,
Now remember,
way.
I'm in next week's contract. I'm not in this week's contracts. I'm going to let this one play out. Regardless, I'm going to let this one play out. This is a 185 call for next week. I'm just, you know what? That little dip hit right at, if you look at your fib retracement,
Yeah.
it pull up right at 78.6. So let's see what happens. Remember, we don't deal in absolutes, we deal in probabilities.
Okay, I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm ready to go.
Are you ready to go? Are you really ready to go? Umar Khan, where you been, bro? We haven't seen you in a couple weeks.
Umar's been in here.
Has he?
He's not paying attention to the chat. Well, he said that a while ago.
No. I saw that, but I'm saying earlier I haven't seen him in the past couple of live broadcasts. Bounce, 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 bounce. I'm still down on this contract about 3%.
Come on, I just need my next candle to be
Everything's in the favor. If you look at your RSI, we're towards the bottom end.
Yep.
We're not oversold, but we're down on the lower half.
Well, I'm in 2 SPY contracts at, what is this? 403.
Dude, this
Do
is a
my
huge V. Truly is a huge V.
Here comes my first resistance.
Yeah, let's get your chart up. People can see what you're talking about there.
Yep, I'm up. Okay, it's coming up to my 45. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna sell that. Come on, sell. Sell. There it goes. I am done trading for today. Hold on, let me make sure that I got this right. Filled. Three, 9, 7, 9. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. That's right. I'm done. Can't trade no more. And it was because I accidentally bought more of the Tesla options.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Umar's asking, did you reach 2K yet? I guess, see,
No.
that's what I mean.
I
He
am.
hasn't been here.
No. I had to go back to. I changed my EMAs to MAs, and I was like, wait, hold on, and I realized something. So I went back to my, we started. Vinny reached it, but Vinny sees more opportunities, so he'll buy an option and hold it till the next day.
That's not what happened.
So you have an advantage, and I'm learning from your the things that you see, because you're mentioning it
No.
on the chat. Because like, oh, I just want to let you know that I'm in because whatever, and then the next day the market does exactly what you say, in which that's what I'm trying to read.
I tend to look at the market even when I'm not trading, because you never know on power hour what's going to happen. Power hour
Yeah.
is 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You just never know. So I just happened to catch it that day. But as I suggested to Eddie, I might hold this contract a little bit. I like this contract. I like Tesla to get back up to 185 before next week. So I might stay in this contract. It's actually not a bad price for the payoff. Get ready for next week. Next week, make sure you got some cash in an account somewhere. You're going to want it.
I got a couple of hundred on my account.
You're going to want it. Next week, you're going to want it.
There you go. I only put 3 in there.
All right, you put 3 in there?
Yeah, 292.
Okay.
I'm not really in a rush to put the full, well, this money has to come directly from my personal account, can't come from my business account.
Right. Wow, Tesla's coming all the way down. I'm getting stuffed in this contract right now. Oof.
Well, let's see, because on SPY, if it did turn around, let's see if it sets up a higher high.
Well, Tesla's now almost in full retracement mode. But the market maker could be, trying to shake people out. Like I was watching, if you guys want a really good website to watch to get some really good information, watch the Maverick of Wall Street on YouTube. On Twitter, it's the Maverick WS. He breaks down the market really well every day, every other day. And I mean, I think he's correct in what he's saying. We're getting set up for the biggest market crash in history.
Hey, Uber,
What is
man, me
this?
too, man. I can't wait till I start with my live account. I'm very, very, imagine I get nervous with this. Imagine when I use real money. Shh, I'm very nervous.
And Tesla just pulled the move back to the upside.
It just wicked.
Like I said, it just pulled the move back to the upside. You see that? So it's in this area. It's such a tough read right now.
Look at the 5 minute on Tesla.
I'm looking at the 5 minute on Tesla. You got an upside down V.
Look at this.
Here's here, I'll put my left monitor in a 5 minute mode. Look at that.
There it goes. This is 5 minute all the way down. Yeah.
And now when you look at the 30-minute chart, you see my channel, my overall trend channel. Here's the current trend channel. It's craziness.
Three, two. See, two is consolidating right above the line. What is that? 180.66 is where I have my line at. Which is a pre-market that I saw. I know Uma. Oh, and Uma. Yeah, dude. I know Uma wants me to go real money.
He's going to see it next week.
Maybe.
Richie wants to know why I can't dollar cost average. Because on this particular option, this is half my account. Half my account is in this option right now. So I started the day at 11:47. I'm dead even right now, right? And so I don't want to burn the whole account on this one contract. This is an expensive contract. So I'm about to go even on the contract here in a minute. And I'm playing the charts. I'm letting the charts tell me the story.
By the way. This will be a double bottom, right? On SPY. 2 minute, 3 minute, yeah. And last time, I don't know. Hold on, let me see the last time it did one of those.
Whoop, whoop. There we go.
Where was it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Last time we did that, it bottomed out. Where is it? See that this is back on the 3rd. It bottomed out twice right here. 1, 2, and then the uptrend just continued to the upside, in which is technically doing it now. Here, here.
See, it got into that. If you go back and you look at your, what are you on? SPY? Okay.
I'm on SPY.
Umar says he wants to see test of VWAP for rejection towards more downside. If the volume is too aggressive, we will bounce. I wouldn't disagree with that. I would not disagree with that. All right, so that yellow line here is worth 5% to me on this contract, which is about $23, $24, something like that. And then the green line would be a 10% move on this contract. Well, 9% move. Yeah, that's not right. Hold on. Let me check my math here real quick. 508 plus. Yeah, that's not right. That green line's in the wrong spot. It should be 566. All right. There's 10%. Getting close to that VWAP, bro. Left chart, Umar. Left chart. Richie's asking me if that's the 200 for next week. No, sir. That's the 185 for next week. 185 for next week. But I'm going to be out of this contract today.
Let me see if my prediction is right here.
What's your prediction?
Like it did on the 3rd, I'm just bottomed out right here on the low of the day, low of the day, and now it's just going to be continuation to the upside. This is definitely not one of my trades, but I saw this back on the 3rd. Where is it? It's definitely not that day. 30 minutes. Where is it?
I might take my profits here. I'm trying to see if it breaks above this 50%. It's got to hold my 5-minute EMA, my 45 EMA. It's trying to bounce up off the 45 EMA.
Where is it? It's a damn pain going back in time.
Well, that's why we try to do, our pre-market charting to get our areas in. And you notice on Tesla, we're bouncing in the pre-market area, or what we charted this morning.
Here we go, 3-3. I'm telling you, see? Look at this. Bottomed out once, bottomed out twice on the low of the day, and then it just kept going up.
Yep. It melted up. That's what they call a melt up.
So if I keep seeing this, then it's probably going to become like a habit. It'd be like, oh, here it comes, and and just kind of like, boom, just get in, jump in, and just let it go. Look at this.
That's it. Patience, brother. Patience.
But it's not my strategy. It's something totally different.
But you got to have more than one strategy in the book.
Well, yeah. But I'm just keeping an eye on these because this one is the one that I saw with Peachy. What the hell is her name? Peachy something?
Peachy Investor.
Peachy investor,
Yep.
and she did the same thing too. She was like, "Look, this is demand. No, yeah, demand, right?
Uh,
This will be like a demand zone right here." Of course, she was doing it on a bigger time frame, I think it was, but this was just like it would be funny if it goes all the way up here. Be like, oh, that would have been a very, very good prediction. There it goes. But I'm up for today. Count is 1,075. So
all right. So we're done for the day.
yeah, I can't trade no more. Technically, I can. I almost took this one just to kind of trade with, but still, I can't.
So I'm up almost 6% on this contract. I'm watching charts to see what Tesla's right at SPY right now. I mean, SPY. Jesus Christ. It's right at VWAP. I need to see if it's going to reject this VWAP or break through it.
Look at this. Just keep watching the spot. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. This is some. This is something that Patrick Wheeland.
Wheeland.
He's like,
Wheeland.
how could you not see this? How could you not see this?
Well, bro,
He's like,
like,
right there, look, it's as clear as day. And this is where I start saying, I was like, dude, I don't freaking see shit. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Because I don't
hey,
see it because
Umar,
it's forming.
right? Umar, you're right. Your experience will lead your gut.
Yeah. And
All right.
then I see it, so it becomes like common sense. I was like, dude, every single time that I saw this, it did this. And the last time it did this, it was like weeks ago. It was about a week ago, and I missed out. Oh my god!
All right. I am out of the contract. I got out at this really wasn't good trading by me today, even though they were positive. It really wasn't good trading by me today. Because I put a lot of money at risk to make less than $40. This was not good trading today. I put $1,000 at risk for a $34 profit. Not good trading today.
But ain't green? Ain't green?
And I'm thankful for that. But I put a lot of money at risk. I put a lot of money at risk to make $34. No, Umar, I'm not gonna. I haven't made any real money trades since Lyft earnings because the market's just everywhere, and so I've been trading, paper trading with Eddie because I don't want any pressure. But I'll show you real quick. I have two setups here.
Vinny has reached the $2,000 goal 3 times.
I don't know. I don't
I
remember.
think it's like three or four times already on a paper trading account.
All right, it won't let me add the extra camera in here. I want to show you my other setup, but for some reason, hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Let me do a little magic.
Look at that. So
Look at that. I
awesome.
got out of that trade at the right time. Look at that. I got out of that trade at the right time, bro.
Yeah, it's about 4 times there, Umar. If you look at the past videos, we have to reset our accounts. I'm thinking about how many times I've actually reset my account, and I think it's been about 4 times. But again, Vinny
All right.
plays a little bit more strategies than I do. I play
No, I
one.
don't. No, hold on. Wait a minute. Stop. First of all, Umar, if you look at the screen right now, this is my trading desk. What you see on the screen is my productivity desk. So I have two different systems set up. When you see me over here trading, I'm trading real money. What you see on the screen here, okay, this is a completely different. This is just my productivity setup, and for you know. But when I'm over there, when I'm over here, I ain't paying attention to Eddie. I'm just I'm just calling it like it is, brother.
He'll
Just
mute
calling
me.
it
He,
like it
he
is.
he mutes me.
I do not now,
He
but
mutes me.
I
He's
did
like, "I'm re-
say,
look," and then he goes like, he mutes me.
but well, and like I said, the last time I took a live trade was I had a bunch of puts on Lyft for earnings, and we made a couple bucks there. But I haven't traded any really live money since because I'm working with Eddie, and I think even as a live trader, bro, I think you still have to paper trade because traders get complacent. They get way too damn complacent. You know what I'm saying? That's not good.
Are you guys watching this? Look at this. Look, bottom, bottom. Look at that. Tapped out.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
extended a little bit high. It's like
My s-
comments.
I'm gonna have to get my son-in-law on here one day
Look at
too.
this. I should have seen it. See, Umar? D- Damn it. I probably would have sold by now.
Son-in-law smacked him yesterday for $1,000. Got him going again today. But he's trading a large account. He's trading a very large account. I'm not trading a large account. But I hope that helps, Umar.
Yeah,
I hope
remember,
that.
Umar, I started with real money in the beginning. But since I was going live, I was like, hey, I got to cut that out because I don't want somebody else to start following me, start doing the same thing. Next thing you know, they lose their money and they start, having hissy fits.
That's it. 100%, bro. I mean, listen, it's the real deal. Real deal, brother. Paper trading messes up my psychology, but everyone is different.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to. I mean, but
Yeah, because,
like,
when you're trading paper money, you don't get that real nervousness. Like,
but you should be trading exactly how you're going to trade with a live account.
yeah, but
It's a mental thing,
correct. Oh my God.
right? Umar's talking about psychology. It's a mental thing, bro.
Talking about seeing it coming.
You're feeling good about it right now.
Fuck. Damn, yeah. Oh, by the way, I got
Tesla just ripped to the upside.
Tesla's doing it. No, Tesla's not doing it because Tesla didn't bottom out.
Watch
But
this.
watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that. And it's just consolidating. And now it's about to take off again. And here is the high of day, which is 401.48.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna bring up my chart for a minute.
Man,
You talk about a perfect fib retracement. Low a day right here, high a day right there, right? You talk about a perfect fib retracement play. Perfect. You can't get no better than that, bro. Low a day rips up, Set your higher day. Let's get this out of here. Big leg down all the way to that 78.6, my golden zone. Wicked in, but never closed below it. It wicked in there, but it never closed below it. This is on the 2-minute chart for you 1-minute traders. Still, it never closed below 78.6. It never confirmed the continuation to the downside. And now, whoop, right back up again. It's perfect fib retracement. But Eddie, I still trade every way. I still trade everything the same way. I don't trade my. Every time I've changed my strategy,
Haven't you seen that I put the channel on the SPY?
Yes, I saw that.
Yeah. You saw
Yeah.
that? Channel and broke outside the channel.
I saw that. That's how
pre-market. Yeah.
That's how I do it. I asked my son-in-law if he quit his day job. Hell no. I'm right here right now.
It's some good. Hey, did my account just move? Better not be in any positions. Nope, I'm out. And remember, yesterday my account was negative 36,000. I was like, what the hell is going on?
Oh my God.
Man. All right, but this is it. This is it. I'm done. Did you finish? Did you finish?
Did I finish, bro? That's
Oh,
like
hello, Kiki.
What are you, my woman? Are you asking me if I finished? Are you my woman or something?
No. Well, did you
Bro,
wipe?
a man
Clorox?
should never ask another man, "Are you finished?" In that soft, mellow Puerto Rican tone you just gave me. What the hell, bro?
Why can this happen when I'm actually doing the real money thing?
Wes wants to
This
know.
is uh-huh.
Wes wants to know, are you his woman, Eddie?
Well, Vinny don't like it when I don't say nothing in the chat, you know,
Oh
that
God.
I'm okay and all that stuff, or
That's
how's
not,
everybody
hey, Ed,
doing?
hey,
No,
Wes, that's what your woman would do, right? She wants to be concerned about how you feel. She wants to make sure you're emotionally stable.
you know, we gotta send we
Hey,
gotta
I'm just messing, bro.
we gotta start putting those babies in here.
You know
You know,
why? You know why I'm messing with you, Eddie? And
Amazon.
Jeff and Steven aren't here, so I can't remember. I owe y'all from last night.
Oh,
I owe y'all from last night. Or what? Do you think I was gonna forget? You didn't think I was gonna forget, did you?
Vinny said it the wrong way. We understood it exactly the same, you know, and it's like that's how it we just that's how it came across in our heads, you know. So you didn't word it correctly, and then with all of our dirty minds, it just didn't do it. Like what?
I ain't trying to hear all that. I'm just trying to tell you. Oh my God.
Yeah, damn. I'm just, Vinny is very demanding. I like to be very free.
What do you mean? Whoa. How am
So,
I demanding, bro? Are we about to have a spat online? A live spat online?
but
Bro, I'm
I
no
do
good at
listen. I mean, if you look at the chart, I am listening. Look, my lines, my channel. Okay, here is my little zone as he wants. I listen. I'm
oh,
listening.
this guy
Okay,
is
and then I saw this repetition back in the day. Bottomed out twice. When he goes, when he starts going, oh look what's going on, look what's going on.
I'm trying to find this so I can send my son-in-law the link.
Yeah, damn West, man. And I didn't want to trade anymore, but this double bottom here, I mean, it was just like, and then I went back in history and I was looking at it, and it double bottom right here, and then if you go back, look, it topped off right there too, and it keeps going pre-market. All right, consolidation right there, and then back on the third, man. I keep thinking about it because I saw this and this damn same thing happened. See, and right here was the same thing. Bottomed out once, second time tested, and then it just went. Well, the same thing. It's doing. There's a gnat in here.
There's a what?
Still alive. And then it just continued. But then again, this is not my strategy. I like the
What?
green line crossing over the yellow line. And then it just continued. But then again, this is not my strategy. I like the
What?
green line crossing over the yellow line. And then it just continued. But then again, this is not my strategy.
Just because I'm copying the link, so there you go.
Yeah, no, I saw something. I don't know. Me and Vinny talk about it. I talk about the Vinny offline where I don't see the patterns, but it's because I'm not actually doing it. He can explain it all he wants on the charts, but it is a pat. It is. It's a pattern that it already happened, so I can see it because I can draw the lines on the chart. But I'm talking about as the pattern is building up, and you start seeing the lines, as everything starts coming up, you start seeing the lines, and then you start predicting what the future could be, you know. Um, and anyway, I saw this literally big, humongous, giant candle right to the bottom of the day, and that candle over candle, and my confidence level was like right there, so I missed that.
Okay.
But then
Well,
again, I
but
would have never been able to trade. So
right, but you saw the trade.
yeah,
You saw it unfold, and that's what time and experience and practice and all of that makes.
the story, the story.
Thank you. You do listen.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Y'all hear that? He listens, bro. He listens. He
Okay.
listens. All right. Wes is like Eddie. You see that triple top and rising wedge I was talking about? I'm looking at your charts. It's breaking down now.
Yeah. The whole
The fuck? What are you
the
doing?
whole breaking down. Now I gotta get used to that. Because I see this. I'll see this, and I'll see the pullback, to the line, and then I kind of like grab it really low on the bounce. That I can see. Um, but like topping out, I gotta get used to that one. Because this way, if I can sense the reversal, then I can play both sides. I'm learning, bro.
There you go. There you go. Now I want to show you something. Now we're going to get a little tricky here. Okay. This takes a disciplined mind to do this. This morning, low a day, high a day, right? Fibonacci right there, right? We saw that, came down into the golden zone, bounced right out, right? Retrace. Now, check this out. Since
The
we
channel.
know we made a we know we bottomed out on this leg, right? That's obvious that we bottomed out on this leg, right? And we had a reversal, correct?
Yeah.
We agree that this is a confirmed reversal, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, lose that one and start you another one. From the top of that leg down to the bottom of that leg. And look what you got. Right back up into that, broke that 50% retracement off the downtrend, back to the upside. And now it's playing in that dirt again. So remember yesterday and in the past we talked about on a run or run, you'll see two legs, never play the third leg. Remember that?
Yeah.
So this is how you can play. You can play the uptrend here. You can play the downtrend here. You can play the reversal back up again. And there you go. You got three actions in this trade. You got our 3 trades in this movement this morning.
I just gotta predict the top, the reversal.
Well, that's why you kind of use you just kind of use the fib once it's established. You got to let it establish. Once it's established, now you can take, so if we know we established a reversal here, all right, we draw our fib out, and now we're looking to see if we're going to hunt the 50% retracement. So we can get here and stay in a trade and ride this all the way up. And once it gets close to that 50%, you could have got out in here.
Yeah.
You'd have been plenty profitable here. 5-10% in here. Right? And then whoop. All right. So here maybe you don't mess with it. Maybe you're out. But you got what you wanted from here to here. On Tesla, that was a $2 move on the stock price. So that's probably a solid 7-8% on the option premium. So that's just something to think about. I've done that where I have absolutely traded an entire day just based off, obviously our support resistance, supply demands, but also using the fib retrace tool. And once it hit that certain area, boom, I was out. Didn't matter what the percentage was. I got out because it was profitable. Today, though, like I said, today was bad trading. Even though I was positive, I'm profit on the day, I risked entirely too much money to make 1%. Just bad trading. Entries were bad.
Oh man, this is just
for me.
So awesome.
For me, entries were bad.
So awesome. And then
let's see. Wes is talking about a bear flag here. Let's see his bear flag.
On.
He's looking at my charts.
Oh, there it goes. Coming right back down. Yeah.
Well, if I look at this, right? So we got a pole here. I don't know, Wes. I don't see the bear flag, buddy. I know you do. I just don't see it. I don't see a bear flag here. Oh, well, yeah, okay.
Is he looking at the higher time frame?
No, he could be looking at this right here. So here. And then right here. So you got that, and boom, coming back down again. I'm not sure if that's what he's referring to. Here. And then just bringing it across right here. Could be. I'm not sure if I see it. I try not to look for flags, even though I know I need to be looking for flags, pennants, wedges. I just try to trade right in between my support resistance areas. That's it. And remember this morning, remember what I said the support resistance areas were? 180 to 180, what I have it, 180 to 182.
But that was on, that was on Tesla.
Yeah, that was pre-market. So I went with 3 areas this morning. I went with the 175.90 as the bottom end. 180.69 was my mid end. And then this 182.97 was my high end. I don't know why I got this line in here. The red is a support resistance area. Looks like that has been turned into a little bit of support. So that should be a green line now. Because look, it's come right down. Even though it broke through it down to here, this is also a little area of support. But okay. So that's the line that doesn't need to be there. There it is. So right now, this is support. This was low a day yesterday. My orange line was low a day yesterday. Well, there you go. All charted out. This right now is resistance. It absolutely got there the second time and flipped out of it. So There you go. We're in an area. We're in a zone. But still, bro, look at this. This is very tradable. That's a $3 move. $2.50 move from 180.60 to 182.97, 183. That's a $2.50 move. You
So,
can trade this. You can trade options in this zone, but your percentage gains are going to be, minimal.
hey Wes, which triple top are you talking about? Here? I'm in the hold on, let me go back to a higher time frame. Where is that triple top there? What was that? What, Wes? Was that Wes? He was talking about the rising wedge. Talking about like here, here, and here. Can't be. Let me see. Let me see if it was hold on, let me go back to my Weeble. And if it was what I traded, then what I traded was, well, the last thing I traded was, I think it was the SPY. Yeah, SPY. So I was in the 2 minute. So is this what you're talking about? Like this 401.48 and then here?
You might have been looking in the channel. Go back to your channel.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I can see where okay, so go at the peak.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Go high a day,
Yeah.
high a day, then the next one to the right, next
Yeah.
right, and then a third one out of the channel. So I might be looking at that 1, 2, 3 areas as being a triple top area, which is close, but it's still, yeah, Wes says that's what it is.
Okay.
So now, hey, hold on before you leave that chart. Okay. Take your horizontal, your trend line. Draw a trend line from the high a day peak on the wick. And now draw it across. Yeah, there you go. That might help you see it a little better. It's a triple top on a descending wedge or on a downtrend. It's a slight downtrend there.
And or that flag that you're talking about?
See that M pattern, then put the rising wedge. Said hit that put literally within 5 minutes, and that thing dropped red too. Nice little setup there. Yeah, I can see what he's saying. I mean, listen, it slammed good. Yep, there you go. There's your trend.
Okay. All right, I see, I see. I see. Where you guys at? Right there. Could this be a triple bottom? Anyway, all right. We are done. It is 11:03 by you, 10:03 by me.
It is. It is. It is. It is. Bro, have you noticed Elon's been calling these people out, man?
Yeah. How bad it's getting?
Been calling them.
I don't think
Oh, wow.
Elon.
Did Elon Musk call for Joe Biden to resign?
I don't think Elon bought Twitter to make money off of it.
Oh, no. Make no mistake. He's going to make
I
money
don't
off
think he
of Twitter.
bought it to make money off of it. I think he would have paid anything to get Twitter. information is power.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, and that is a lot of information. That
Yep.
is a lot of information. Where is Twitter at right now?
It's private. There is no stock price on Twitter. He took it private so that he can have full control over it.
So he bought everybody got paid, I guess.
Well, you had an option. You could either sell it out at the price, which was what,
40 was a
54.20, 54.20, because he had that
uh-huh.
420 number in there. Weed head. He don't even smoke weed, but he's a weed head.
Oh, yeah, yeah, Wes, I see that M. I see that M.
This some bitch boy, I tell you, he wants. I don't know if you guys heard this. The couple of guys that are everybody that's here. Joe Biden now wants to raise capital gains tax from 20% to 39%. He wants to double our capital gains tax. The government does nothing to help us make this money. They take zero risk and they want 40% of our freaking gains. And they take zero risk. They do nothing to help us make this money. And now,
Incorporate.
and now Biden wants to take 40 freaking percent. And they say, well, it'll only be on the top 400. Bullshit. They will come after every little penny trader trying to get that 40%. I'm not with this, bro. I'm not with this. Designated Survivor, Season 1, Episode 1. I'm with it. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm just saying. It wouldn't bother me if it happened. You know, have you ever seen Season 1, Episode 1? Eddie?
Of? Of?
Designated Survivor?
No.
Would you like to see it?
What is it? Are you
Designated
guys messing
Survivor?
with me again?
No. Designated Survivor with Kiefer Sutherland. So every time Congress, all three branches of the government come together, okay? Every time they all come together at the Capitol in D.C., there's always one or two people that are considered the designated survivor. So they are stuffed away in separate rooms somewhere, okay?
Uh-huh.
In case something happens, we have some leader of government. Well, in Season 1, Episode 1, they all came together and they were all bombed, wiped off. They blew up the Capitol with everybody in it. All your presidents, vice presidents, your Supreme, all them people unfortunately passed away. It was a terrorist attack. Turns out, in the long run, it wasn't a foreign enemy, it was a domestic enemy.
Oh. Okay. I gotta
But
see it.
the point is that the entire government was done. Republicans, Democrats, and they were all done. They were gone. The bullshit was over. One person was left, and he was charged with reestablishing a federal government. The series is really, really good. And then all of a sudden they abruptly stopped it. First, it was a television series. Then I think Netflix bought it. And so the last season they had language in it, and it actually got, more adult friendly. But
Uh-huh.
I noticed they haven't done it again. They haven't made another season. Commuter
And this
Branch,
is from Netflix?
Patty. Greetings, sir, from Ireland. How we doing today, boss? What's that?
Yeah, well, he says very provoking. Um, but yeah, somebody thinking that they could pull that off, but
It's a great show. It's a great show if you stay in the macro of it. Some of the individual episodes, it was either here nor there. But as an overall theme, Remember, bro, it's never those that hate you the most that are the farthest from you. It's usually the one stabbing you in the back or right next to you.
They're right next to you the whole entire time.
Yep.
Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
So Lauren Bobart, bro, Lauren Bobart printed out, tweeted out yesterday. Let me get the tweet right. Real men aren't women. So the J6 committee, Kessinger, Shift, they all come back and they're like, I'm retweeting this for one time. Lauren decided to tweet this to anger, to stir the pot, to offend, and to give people a dopamine hit. And then she's coming back. She's like, "Don't worry, Adam. I don't consider you a real man."
Oh, oh.
That's my girl, man. Y'all kiss my hind parts. I like Lauren Boebert. Once she learns to calm down,
Who is Jonita Broderick?
Juanita Broderick, that's the one that was raped by or allegedly sexually assaulted by
She's like,
Biden.
I pray for, there's a tweet, I pray for Tucker Carlson's safety. He's going up against the most evil people in history.
You ain't lying. You ain't lying. You don't think the I don't want to say it, but you don't
He's
think
not the one.
a former Secretary of State doesn't have their hit squad ready to go on Tucker?
Yeah, well, definitely, they're definitely gonna block this from anybody seeing it.
Nope, not Elon. Elon is not blocking shit.
U.S. must declare war against Mexican drug cartels.
Why? Why do we need to declare war against them? But we no. Why? Why do we
Mexican
need to
drug
declare
cartel
war?
says ex U.S. Marshal waiting for White House to get angry. Look, stop going over the border. Stop going to just stop going to Mexico. Stop. Just stop. Didn't they just declare like a couple of zones like terrorists, like don't go? It's just don't go overall. There's nothing over there that we want. Everything they
Adam Kissinger, man, Kissinger. What a punk, man. What a real punk. Tweets out
well,
McCarthy rejects Zelensky's invite to visit Ukraine, calls him weak. DC Drano, bro. You got to follow DC Drano.
we got a
Not
third
everyone
bounce.
cares about.
And this
Not
stuff
everyone,
excites the market.
well, yeah, of course.
I'm just hoping we don't go to war. Ooh, U.S. military jet flown by AI for 17 hours.
What was the name of that movie? Patty says, "Don't get me wrong. I don't wear a tinfoil hat, but the antics of successive governments, this one and that one, beggar belief. Cold in Ireland, snow trying to fall at a balmy -6 degrees centigrade.
Ooh.
Woo! That's cold. That's cold, brother.
Yep, California got more snow, I think.
You ain't lying. You ain't lying
California
about
got
that one,
more
bro.
snow.
Did they?
I think so.
1, 2, 3, 4. According to your chart, right there to your supply demand zone, your shaded area there, your
Uh-huh.
zone, we should see more down. We should see it's tipped into it once, tipped into it twice. No, what are you moving it for?
Oh, well, this is where I had it originally. I just moved it by accidentally before, so.
Okay. Okay. Got to watch this area. It's either going to spring forward, spring up, or it's really going to take a
But yeah, it could be a third. I mean, what is there a certain rule on these? By the first the second bounce, the second bounce, but don't buy the third.
if there is, I don't know about that at this point here. I would just be watching the charts to see if it fails.
Because if for me it looks like it would fail, given that you see this big giant wedge or
Yeah,
flag.
but here, shrink the chart left to right. Okay, stop. You see your up channel?
Uh huh.
That could be considered a flagpole.
Yeah.
And then you see your downtrend into your zone here. Obviously, that's a huge support area right now.
Yeah.
Huge
Here,
support
here,
area.
and it goes
Yeah.
all the way back there.
Well,
So,
back here was resistance. Go back the other way.
uh-huh.
Back here, that area was all resistance. A lot of sellers. A lot of sellers in that area. Now you got buyers in that area.
Yep, there it goes. Look.
So now you got to see if it's if this is going to fall back down and flip this support into resistance. But you've had 1, 2, 3 touches into that zone. You've got a half-assed head and shoulders going on there. You do.
No. Pre-commuter branches comment.
Cali full of stuff. Oh, God.
Man.
That's funny.
All right.
That's funny.
All right. That is really. Ooh. Apple. Oh, wow. Look at that. Apple is doing exactly the same thing. Bottomed out once, bottom out twice. There is a bounce right there. This is on the 2-minute.
Yep.
Look at that. Here's your first one. Here's your second one. What else do we have? NVIDIA is just consolidating. Amazon, I don't know what the hell Amazon is doing. All right, this is it. I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna take my $20 and I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go. 1075. Where you at, Vinny? 940 something.
What? Man, you're smoking that 420 shit. I am at, that can't be right. Hold on a minute. That can't be right. Hold on, I'm going to tell you in a minute. I am at 1181.
So maybe I just need to go bigger size.
Nope.
But I'm just gonna take my time with this. I'm just gonna wait for my setup.
Nope. No bigger size for you yet, brother.
All right, I'm done. Let's close this. We'll do it again. Tomorrow is Friday. Oh, look at that. My camera just froze. We'll do it again on Friday. All right. So,
All right. We good to go? We're done?
We are good to go. We are good to go.
You ready for the exit music?
Yes, sir.
Damn, I'm good.
See you guys. See you guys.